Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Out on a small river today. Hadn't been getting out as much. I've been on a couple of trips, but hadn't done any good. Fished a tournament, didn't get a bite. Fished all day for 9 hours, didn't get a bite. Went on another trip up at the lake and didn't get a bite to make a video. So hopefully today I can catch some river bass. It's supposed to be a nice day today. It's gonna go up close to 80 degrees, if you can believe that, for February. But we've had a couple of days of real warm weather, and hopefully we can get bit today. Probably throw a swim jig and a spinnerbait and probably a chatterbait. I think they should be eating pretty good, so hopefully it'll be a good day. If you're new here, I'm Brian. You're watching the Dude Fish channel. Welcome to the channel. So guys, let's get started. Y'all come along with me and let's catch some fish. There's small largemouth, guys. There's small largemouth, guys. First fish of the morning on the spinnerbait. Just the 3/8 ounce booyah willow leaf, and got a little zoom spinnerbait trailer on there with a trailer hook. That's my go-to right there, little guy. He hit it pretty good. That water's warmed up a little bit. It was so cold a couple of weeks ago. That water was in the 40s, low 40s. That was probably high 40s, even low 50s today. I think they're gonna eat pretty good. So. There he is. There's pretty good. Oh yeah, that's good fish right there. In the weeds. Oh yeah, look at that. Good fish right there, guys. Look at spot. Let me get somewhere where I can get him. Foot of water. Look at that guy. Good fish. Crushed that spinnerbait. Crushed it, man. Big fish. See, buddy, appreciate it. He hammered that spinnerbait. He wasn't where he was supposed to be. That's for sure. A little deep bank with some slow current. He was more in the fast current. Shallow little bank. You wouldn't expect him to be there, but he hammered it. And got a pretty good flow today. Had some rain yesterday. Day before, not much, but there he is. Another good one. Another pretty good one. Pretty good one. So we're in that current. There's a lot of current on that bank. He was over there just like that other one. I think that'd be in a little more calmer water, but they are on the... He's not as big as that last one. Pretty good fish though. Smoked it. See, bud? Man, that's fun. That is so much fun. Oh, golly. He absolutely smoked that thing. Good fish. Sometimes when you get out and go over these logs and stuff, and drag around on the bank, come back and put your spinnerbait in them logs and stuff, they will be in them. He wasn't coming off. Destroyed that thing. Good fish. See, bud. There's a golly. This guy hammered it. Man, good fish. Wow. God, he hit it hard. Took the rod out of my hand. Fish, another spot. I hadn't even picked that chatterbait up or the swim jig. They're killing the spinnerbait. I'm gonna keep throwing it. They are smashing that thing. That'll be another one over there. That's too, looks too good. Looks too good. There you go. Not as big. Little guy. I broke my spinnerbait. I got some more though. Caught a lot of fish on that one. Oh yeah, I got brand new. Yeah, ooh, zoom. Put a little zoom on there. Little zoom trailer on there. Put me a trailer hook. I like these eagle claws. Number 2. You get a 10-pack pretty cheap. I don't seem to miss a lot of fish on. You still miss some fish on, but you know you're running 2 hooks, you're gonna miss some fish. But makes your hookup ratio go way up. There it is. Alright, let's tie this thing on. Get us another one. Alright. There he is. Small one. There he is. You're like a decent one. Decent. Oh yeah, it's good fish. Good fish. Largemouth. Nice spot. Beautiful fish. Over on that log. Gonna be one of them kind of days, guys. I believe they're gonna smash the spinnerbait all day. Gonna be a good day. I need a good day after that tournament. I fished for 9 solid hours, didn't get a bite. And the trip before that, I caught one little dink. So I got my feelings hurt on that tournament, so I need it big time. I need a good day out on the water. That will hurt your feelings for sure. That ain't right. Golly. Come out of nowhere and got it. That guy come out of nowhere. Little spot. Dang, he smashed that thing. That is so fun. About gave me a heart attack. Little guy. I don't know if I got that on video, but he come out of left field and got that one. There he is. Hammer. Good Lord. That's good. Good fish. All right. And they're fat. He's been eating for sure. Belly on, probably full of crawfish. Dang, he hit hard. That is so much fun right there. There he is. Pretty good one. good one. I broke my line. Broke my line, took my spinnerbait. About 2.5, 3 pounds. I think I got one white spinnerbait left. Probably should have brought a little more. Got a bunch at home, but I didn't bring but 3. There he is. Oh, good fish too. Good fish. Bite kind of slowed down for a while, guys. After the sun come out, it was cloudy this morning. They was eating it up. It kind of died a little bit. He's not big as I thought he was, but he's nice little spot. Hammered it. Yeah, the bite slowed down way down. I threw that swim jig some. I got some bites, but I couldn't ever land one on it. I don't think they was very big, but I was throwing like a bluegill color swim jig with a Kitech on it. I went back to the spinnerbait, fished for about an hour or so, and didn't get a bite. And, that was the first fish I've caught in a couple of hours, so hopefully the bite's gonna pick back up a little bit. All right, guys, I'm gonna wind up the river trip today. Had a good day, especially this morning. They was chewing this morning. Caught several decent fish. One nice one, mostly spotted bass. Had a couple of small largemouth and red eyes, but they was killing that spinnerbait this morning, and sun come out and it kind of died off a little bit, slowed down, and caught a couple more later on in the day, but definitely not like this morning. But anytime you can get out here early February on a high 70, 80, I think it may have reached 80 degrees today, and get out on the river and catch some fish, that's awesome. But had a great day. I caught a couple on a chatterbait, and threw a swim jig a little bit, and when that bite on the spinnerbait died down, and had a few bites, but I couldn't land any of them. I don't think they was too big, but yeah, I had a good day today. Nice day, and after my last few trips and not catching any and sucking it up, it's nice to get out and catch some. But anyway, guys, I appreciate y'all watching and sticking with me. Thanks to all the new subscribers for joining the channel. It really means a lot. So thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time.